Artificial intelligence is transforming the world as we know it, and one of its most significant impacts is in military operations. From aiding strategic decision-making to powering autonomous systems, AI is revolutionizing the way modern warfare is conducted. But how exactly is AI integrated into military operations, and what are the implications of its use? AI in the military refers to the use of intelligent systems to enhance decision-making, optimize operations, and even carry out specific tasks autonomously. For instance, AI can process real-time battlefield data to predict enemy movements or identify threats faster than any human could. Imagine a military commander needing to decide the safest and fastest way to evacuate civilians from a conflict zone. AI systems can analyze weather, terrain, and enemy activity to offer optimal solutions, saving valuable time and lives. Autonomous systems like drones are game changers in modern warfare. They can perform high-risk missions such as surveillance over hostile territory without endangering human lives. However, their use raises important questions about accountability and ethical warfare. While AI offers incredible potential, it's not without challenges. Issues like algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the possibility of AI systems being hacked pose significant risks. Moreover, the deployment of autonomous weapons raises serious ethical questions about the role of humans in life-and-death decisions. Looking ahead, the role of AI in military operations will only grow. From smarter battlefield strategies to enhanced defense systems, AI is set to redefine security as we know it. However, ensuring its responsible use will be a challenge for governments worldwide. AI in military operations is a double-edged sword, holding immense potential to save lives while presenting challenges we must address together. What are your thoughts on this transformative technology? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on technology and its impact on the world.